Honda Marine is a well-respected name in the outboard motor industry, known for producing high-quality, reliable, and fuel-efficient engines. Here's a deeper dive into what makes Honda Marine engines stand out. Key strengths: 4-stroke dominance. Honda was an early pioneer of 4-stroke outboard engines, offering significant advantages over traditional 2-stroke models. 4-stroke engines are generally more fuel efficient, they consume less fuel, leading to lower operating costs and reduced environmental impact. Quieter operation, they produce less noise and vibration, making for a more enjoyable boating experience. Cleaner emissions, 4-stroke engines produce fewer harmful emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. Technological innovation, Honda continuously incorporates advanced technologies into its marine engines. This includes VTEC, variable valve timing, and lift electronic control. This technology optimizes engine performance and fuel efficiency across the RPM range. Programmed fuel injection, precise fuel delivery for optimal performance and reduced emissions. Advanced engine management systems, these systems ensure smooth and reliable operation. Durability and reliability, Honda engines are built to withstand the harsh marine environment. They are known for their durability, reliability, and long service life. Wide range of models, Honda offers a comprehensive lineup of outboard engines to suit a variety of boat sizes and applications, from small recreational boats to larger fishing vessels. Key product lines: BF series. This series encompasses a wide range of 4-stroke outboard engines, covering a broad spectrum of horsepower options. BF 250, a high-performance V6 engine that delivers exceptional power and smooth performance. BF 225, a powerful and reliable engine suitable for a variety of applications. BF 150, a popular choice for many boaters, offering a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. Overall, Honda Marine engines are a popular choice among boaters worldwide due to their reliability, performance, and fuel efficiency. Their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has made them a leader in the marine industry.